Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with RPGhair once more. Alright, their regular packaging as usual. So I open it and I see their bag here, you know, that the wig is in. Before we get into that, let's see what's in the package. Okay, so you know, I got the different laces to compare. Also I got an edge brush and comb. I got one more of these wax sticks. I got wig cap, a rat tail comb, and as usual I got a pamphlet, you know, has hair care, all that good stuff listed. You know, it shows you know, what the lace looks like when it's pre-bleached, when it's pre-plucked, all that good stuff. All right, so for today's wig we got a beautiful clean pre-plucked hairline. It looks so gorgeous. It's so pause. Also, I must tell you that this wig is a versatile wig. So yes, you guys have seen a couple of these wigs on my channel before, but like RPG is going in because this hairline is absolutely giving. So I definitely am so in love with that. I can't wait to go ahead and just show you guys that. But first I'm gonna rock it in its you know, blown out look and stuff. So yeah, it's pre-bleached, it is pre-plucked very nicely, and it is of a kinky straight texture, as you can see. Really nice. That coarse strong texture. Yeah, it's 22 inches long and it is 180% in density. I'm going to, oh, and it's also a 13x6 HD lace parting. So it's a really nice deep part, and if you can see closely, you can definitely see that it is pre-bleached. The inside has a total of 4 combs, and it also has adjustable straps in the back. I'm going to have so much fun, you know, installing this because the wig, like the lace, is just so pretty. So I'm happy to go ahead and get started on that. But before I get started on that, let me just refresh you guys' memory on how, you know, more advanced the HD lace is than a normal lace. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this is the lace we're working with today. This is the HD lace we're working with. This is the normal lace over here. It is a little bit more casty. I'm not sure you guys can tell. This is the areas in which I applied the Got2b spray, but this one melted in so nicely. So this, it's nice too, you know, but it takes a little bit more effort, a little bit more time to blend and melt in. This, you know, yeah, it's really undetectable on the skin. So yeah, this is the lace we're working with. This one over here, the HD lace. It looks really good. So you see, guys, what I really love the upgraded lace. Like it doesn't take as much effort as it would with a normal lace front installation. Like, because the lace is so much thinner, of course you need to be more careful with how you're handling it because it's way more delicate.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard.
After I went in and kind of fine-tuned the the hairline, and you see how pretty that is. That is super pretty, super realistic. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through this wig with my flat iron. You want to ensure when you're wearing this wig that you pay attention to detangling it, so that it doesn't get too, you know, like matty, because the texture is drier because it's of that kinky straight feel. So you want to ensure that you pay attention to it, but there is minimal shedding. Okay, right.
But now I'm 21. It's all of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Feels like I'm 50s. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Oh, at
21. It looks so natural, so natural, and it screams fresh blowout. So as you can see, while I was flat ironing it, I was going through it as well, cutting the ends, because I feel like the ends weren't even enough and full enough. So I wanted to just get rid of the very end. So I cut off like an inch of it, and it very much gave that super natural vibe. This is the look I wanted to give you today, like blown out. Alright guys, so you saw me rocking this amazing wig in its blown out state. So what I'm gonna do is transform this to curly. I'm gonna use some water in this spray bottle, and my leave-in conditioner is great for detangling as well. So I'm just gonna start spraying the hair, getting it super damp, and you will just start to see it curl up. And you could definitely revert this. So I've said it before, you definitely get the best of both worlds with a wig like this. You see that, guys? Gorgeous, right? And I haven't even put my brush through this hair as yet, and it's looking so good. So you see that? Yeah, that's the vibes. That's the vibes RPG hair is bringing. Okay, super pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous. Can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with that wig. I've said it before and I'm telling you again, you cannot. Okay, so I'm all done with everything. So naturally you see where it shrink up and stuff, definitely, but it's so juicy. It's super soft. It's way soft. Of course it was in a kinky straight texture, but once it's wet, you get this extreme soft, juicy, curly feel, which is just beautiful. You get the best of both worlds, to be honest. You could definitely, and as I said before, with the blown out look, you could definitely go in and make it straighter if that's what you want. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this wig. As mentioned before, I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. Shout out to RPGhair for this gorgeous wig. They're always improving, so I have to give them a thumbs up for that. They're always improving, and it's amazing. So shout out to them for that. It's nice. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope it was informative. I'm going to drop all the information, as I said before, the direct link where you can purchase this wig. And oh, don't forget to check out my Vlogmas series going on over PETITE-SUE TV. I'm uploading every single day for 25, well actually 26 days of December, so you don't want to miss that. It's truly a vibe over there, so go ahead, check it out. And that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then,
I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't know. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a chorus.